Have you seen those viral videos where normal photos are being turned into realistic 3D figurines? It looks insane, but is not Blender or 3D painting. It is Google's Nano Banana model in Gemini. And today, I'll show you how to make your own figurine and even animate it using free AI tools. To create 3D figurine, you can use gemini.google.com or Google AI Studio. When you sign up on the Google AI Studio, use the Nano Banana feature on it. So for this tutorial, I'll be using the Google AI Studio to create my 3D figurine. So once you have signed up and you have tapped on the Nano Banana option there, you need to upload in your image. For best results, I recommend that you use a good photo that has good lighting and a clean background. That way your figurine looks complete and polished. Once you have uploaded in your image, you need to put in a text prompt that's going to create our 3D figurine. The real magic is in the prompt because the right prompt makes your figurine look like a collectible feature. I have built a list of exact prompts which I use, and if you want them, just comment hi in the comment section. So once you have uploaded in your image and you have put in the exact right prompt, then you need to tap on send and you're going to generate your image. You can generate up to 3 or 4 variations and see the one you like, after which save your figurine image. Now let's make this figurine move. For this, we are going to be using Google VEO3 animation. Just upload in your figurine image from the frame to video section, and then you need to put in VEO3 first and also select the aspect ratio. For the aspect ratio, you can select either portrait or landscape format. For this video, I'm using landscape format, and then you choose the number of videos you want to generate. After you have uploaded the figurine image you want to generate, you then need to use an action prompt, just like what I did right here, and then tap on save. You can create variations of this.